online class of subject maths of class 8. We will learn about lesson number 6, factorization of algebraic expressions. So students, we will see today the last topic of that chapter. So students, we in the previous class we already studied about the different types of formulae and different types of examples depending on these formulae. So students, in your exam some questions are very confusion. That type of question is simplify. Whenever the question is you see in your paper, question paper, simplify, there are many types of examples are mixed together, they are combined together, and you have to solve this mixed problem in your exam. जेव्हा तुम्ही अशा प्रकारचे एक्झाम्पल्स बघता तेव्हा तुम्हाला थोडंसं कन्फ्यूज वाटते की हे खूप मोठे प्रॉब्लेम आहे, आपल्याला ते जमणार नाही. परंतु घाबरून जायचं काही कारण नाही, कारण की ते मोठे जे प्रॉब्लेम बनलेले आहे जे आपण बघत आहे एक्स प्लस वाय होल क्यूब मायनस एक्स मायनस वाय होल क्यूब, हे जे दोन प्रॉब्लेम आपण हे वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारे सोडवलेले आहे. यू ऑलरेडी स्टडीड, यू ऑलरेडी सॉल्व एक्स प्लस वाय होल क्यूब. So students, in this example we see here, this is the first part and this is the second part of this question. You already solved this first type of question and you already solved the second part of this question. In this question, simplify these two types of questions, two types of example are combined together by minus sign. So we will solve step by step. So we will get the easy. Student, we know the formula. First you observe this example. This is x plus y whole cube. Means you have to get the point. We have to use the formula a plus b whole cube. And student, we know the formula a plus b whole cube. So what is the formula? A cube plus 3ab a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This formula we will use here. So first part we will solve first. This is we consider a. This will be the b. So a cube means x cube, so we will write a cube first, plus 3a square b means 3x square y, plus 3ab square means 3xy square, plus b cube means y cube. So this is the first part. We will solve this. Now the second part, after minus sign, so we will write minus here, and answer of this example we will write in a bracket, because whenever there is a minus sign, after that whatever the solution of your equation we will write in the bracket, because due to minus sign the signs of the next part will change. So we will write, we know the formula x minus y whole cube. So we will consider that x is a and y is a b, and we know the formula x minus a minus b whole cube. This is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So we will write here x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. We close the bracket. So what we will do in the next step? First step, after first step, what we will do? So we will write first part as it is, x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube, and in next part minus sign is there. So we will change all the signs in the bracket and we will open the bracket. So first minus sign we will apply here. So we will write x cube. Minus sign is here and minus sign is here. So minus and minus become plus. So we will write plus here 3x square y. Minus sign and this plus sign, the multiplication of minus and plus you know, because we already studied before. So we will write minus here and 3xy square we will write here 3xy square. This again minus sign and this is the minus sign. When we multiply minus by minus we will get the plus and we will write y cube. here. So in this next step, we are going to solve the next step. Here we open the bracket. So what will be the next step? So you observe the like term first. Here it is x cube. Here it is x cube. But this is plus x cube. This is minus x cube. X cube. Therefore, x cube and x cube will get cancelled. Next, 3x square y. Here it is also 3x square y, having both plus sign. Therefore, we will add this because plus 3 and plus 3. We know that the answer 6x square y. So we will adding this 3x square y, 3x square, we will get 6xy square, x square y, and y cube here 3xy square and minus 3xy square will also get cancelled because the sign of this is plus and sign of this is minus. So this will get cancelled. Last term is y cube and here it is also y cube, having both same sign. Therefore, plus 1 and plus 1 will get 2. So we'll write 2y cube. So in this way we already. So students, in this way, when there is the mixed type of question and question is simplified, then we can solve by step, as we know the different types of formulae. We will apply first formula for this and second formula for this, and then we will combine. We will know the next step, and the final answer we will get 6x square y plus 2y cube. In this way, we can solve many types of examples, difficult problems we can solve. When for this we must know the answers of this formulae, and in this way you can solve. So homework for you, I will give the homework for you. This is the homework. X square minus 9y square upon x cube minus 27y cube. So students, for this, when you are going to solve, you must know the formula of a square minus b square. So you can use a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b, and the denominator is that x cube minus 27y cube. So we will apply a cube minus b cube. So you know the formula a cube minus b cube, a minus b in first bracket and a square plus ab plus b square in second bracket. You can apply these formulas and we will solve. When you will solve, the next step you will automatically you get and solve it. Try to. Thank you.